In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share your screen during a Microsoft Teams meeting web app. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams web app. Make sure you are signed in with the account you use for meetings. Once you are in, navigate to your meeting so you are on the main meeting screen where you can see the meeting controls. This is the view you use to manage your audio, video, and other options during the call. When you are ready to present, look for the Share button in the meeting controls. It is usually located along the control bar, often near the center or toward the top, depending on your browser window size. Click Share to open the screen sharing options. If you do not immediately see it, widen your browser window or look for a More Options menu, because some layouts hide controls when space is limited. After you click Share, choose the option labeled Screen, Window, or Tab. This selection tells Teams that you want to pick exactly what you will show to other people in the meeting. Once you click it, your browser will typically open a sharing picker where you can select one of three sources: your entire screen, a specific application window, or a single browser tab. Take a moment to choose the best option for what you need. Sharing your entire screen is helpful when you need to switch between multiple apps. Sharing a window is better when you want to keep everything else private. Sharing a browser tab is ideal for a website or video and can help keep the shared content clean and focused. Before you confirm your choice, quickly close or move aside anything you do not want others to see, like personal messages or unrelated documents. Also, if you are presenting slides or a document, open it in advance so it is easy to select from the list. Once you select your screen, window, or tab, the meeting will begin displaying it to participants. Keep your meeting controls visible so you can stop sharing when you are finished. And that is all there is to it.